विष्णुपादाय ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानजनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. Krishna, today we will speak on the verse 10th canto, 47th chapter, text 20. This is Divya Unmad, Transcendental Madness of Radharani. Here in this verse it is stated, Priya Sakha Punaraga Priyasa Preshita Kim Varaya Kiman Nanurundhe Mananyos Me Anga Nayasi Katham Yasman Duttajya Dandapashram Satatamurasi Somya Sri Vadhu Shakamaste. So here we see that Radharani was in transcendental madness, and she was speaking ill of Krishna, and she thinks that this bumblebee is a messenger of Krishna, and so in a sulky mood she says so many things. 10 verses, that is called Chitra Jadva. So in this verse Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti says that Atho उन्मादेन तत्रैव भ्रमरमपि तं भ्रमर मननसन्धाय क्षणम् अन्तरित वा तम् अपश्यन्ति स खेदं परममर्ष. For some time she saw that the bumblebee was not there. So she was somehow or other she was very much afraid. That Brahmara, that bumblebee, it might have gone to Mathura and told all my reprimands, whatever I have criticized Krishna, that bumblebee would have said all these things to Krishna. So Krishna may not keep up any relationship with me. So in this way, Radharani was remorseful and in a very much anxiety, she waits whether that Brahmara, that bumblebee will come or not. And she was looking here and there, the path where that Brahmara came, that bumblebee came, and for the first time that bumblebee came, she was searching everywhere. Of course, sitting there only, just moving her eyes and face. But when she couldn't see, she thought perhaps Krishna would have got a relationship with me, and that's why that bumblebee is not there. So after some time, when she saw that bumblebee again coming, buzzing with sound, then she became very much happy. She welcomed that bumblebee. So she says, Priya Sakha Punaraga Priyasa Prasita Kim. My dear friend, have you again returned back from Mathura? Priyasa Prasita Kim, whether my lover Krishna, he has sent you Bharaya Kim Ananurudhe, whatever boon you write, you may take. Previously she was talking that you are a mad person, you are a drunkard, you don't know how to come. In this way, don't touch my feet. In this way, she was telling that. And again, she was telling that I won't give you anything, any alms, I won't give you anything because we are ourselves are homeless. So what alms will give you? And also in that Vishwanath Chakravarti says, if the bumblebee says, Radharani, please give me your worn out clothes or ornaments or flower garlands, etc., used ones. That also she said, no, I won't give you anything. You go to your that Vijaya Sakha Sakhin, to that lovers, the beloveds of Krishna in Mathura, and you ask them anything from them. And this was she was telling to them this way. But now she says, oh my dear friend, Bharaya, whatever you want you may take, Bharaya, Kim Anurunde, Mananyosmi Meanga, you are my respectable friend, Mananyo, I give respect to you, and addresses him as Anga, a part of our body, like that. Anga means a part of our body. So, if the bumblebee says, in Vishwanath Chakravarti says, if the bumblebee will say, I want you to go to Mathura. Radharani things like that. She says, Nayasi Katham Yasman Dustaja Dunda Parsam. Whether you want me to go there to Mathura? No, yes. Now Dunda Parso, you will be again with the other women of Mathura. No, I swear, Bumblebee says, I swear, he has no contact with any woman in Mathura. Because just after leaving Vrindavan, he went to Mathura, and there, after killing Kansa, he went to Ujjaini for study, 64 days. Within 64 days, he studied all the Vedas and corollaries. And after coming from Ujjaini, he sent me to this place. So he has no contact with any woman of Mathura. I swear. No, you don't know. He is a Sri Vadhu, Shakamaste, Satatam Murasi, Soumya. Oh Soumya, you are just like moon. Moon is Soma is moon. So Soumya means moon-like qualities you are having. Soumya. So this word Radharani means that you should not make friendship with Krishna. He is not Soumya. You are Shanta, you are peaceful, he is not peaceful. Srila Sanatana Goswami says in his purport like that. So Radharani says, always Satata Murasi, always you will see that Krishna, there is Lakshmi is there. Sri Vadhu, Sri is Lakshmi. Lakshmi is his wife, and she rests in the chest of the Lord, chest of Krishna, Narayan. She is also there, in the, just like in a golden band, golden ray, and that Lakshmi Devi is there, resides there, Sri Vadhu. And Vishwanath Chakravarti says, when other women are there, she will remain as golden band. But when no one is there, no other woman is there, she will come back from the chest and assume the form of a woman, beautiful woman, and serve him. Like this. So, goddess of person, Lakshmi, has the power to assume many different forms. So, it is also stated in Srimad Bhagavatam, 1st canto, 18th chapter, that Lakshmi, who is adored, who is praised by others like Brahma, Shiva, etc., but she doesn't care for them. And even if Lord Narayana or Krishna doesn't want her, still then she always serves the Lord. She always serves the Lord. So, here it is said that thus when Krishna enjoys other women, she stays on his chest in the form of a golden light. When Krishna is with other women, that Lakshmi Devi remains as a golden band. But when Krishna is not consorting with other women, Lakshmi puts aside this form and gives him pleasure in a naturally beautiful form of a young woman, Lakshmi Devi, very beautiful. So, in this verse, it is stated that it is called Pratijalpa. Divine madness, it has its name, that is called Pratijalpa. In Ujjwala Nilamani, it has been described. What is that? Although Radhika respects the bee in this verse and accepts his statements as true, she then rejects them after showing how they are inappropriate. This is an example of Pratijalpa. It is defined in Ujjwala Nilamani by Rupa Goswami. Humble statements expressing respect for the messenger but with refusal to meet Krishna because of his licentious relationships with other women is called Pratijalpa. It is described in Ujjwala Nilamani 14:198. So, thank you very much. Hare Krishna.